Have you ever forgotten to wish someone on their birthday? This problem of forgetting is permanently resolved. Let's review such an app that remembers for us, an app that allows us to even import birthdays from our Facebook account with just a few clicks, an app that helps us send messages or through WhatsApp or SMS and even calls. The cherry on the top is that not only does it allow us to create customized greetings, but also provides this option of selecting gifts online if required. Without further ado, let's review such an app. Welcome to episode 14, Birthday Greetings. So this is the app on my phone, which I have downloaded from Play Store. It's called Birthdays. Now I'm going to just click on the plus sign and add. There are various options: new birthday, new anniversary, import phone contacts, Excel import, export and backup. Now there are so many apps which one finds, but most of these apps, they mix up all events with birthdays. So this one I found specifically useful to birthdays. So if I click on the plus sign and I'm going to add a new birthday, so the name of the person which I'm writing, so if you know the age, you can fill it up or just leave and click save. So I have clicked save. Now these are my birthdays which have been fed in, and they need not be from the contacts. They can even be outside of the contacts. That's another thing. This app gives you reminders even if the birthdays are not in your contact. So if I click on what I have entered, not only is it showing me the birthday, it's also showing the zodiac sign of that person, and there is a thing called notes which I'll show you shortly again. Now if I go back, click on the next one, shows me the zodiac sign of this one, and I can click on notes. Now in this notes, I can also enter as and when ideas come to me, like this person, if this person is fond of cooking, so I can just write cooking and save it, so that as and when I remember presents and things which come to my mind, maybe the person is fond of gardening and sketching. So I click and they are added in the notes. Now if you click on this sign, you can either send a telegram message or even send a card. Click on send a card and look at the options of the cards. There are so many options. Some of them are locked because they come with the premium version. But if I click on this one, and I can write my message here. There. So it's allowing me to send it even via WhatsApp or anywhere. So not going into those options, but you can send it by mail, by WhatsApp, by SMS. Back. I'm ending this editing mode. Now the best part over here is, if you click the 3 lines, that brings you to the settings. So in settings, if I have this clicked, remind me of birthdays, so automatically I will get reminders on these birthdays. You can choose the notification time that you want to be reminded on. Maybe if you want first thing in the morning, 8 o'clock, so you can choose that 8 a.m. you should get the notification. Forewarn on birthdays. Do you want it 3 days before, 2 days, 1 day or something? I have set it as 3 days before. And you can select custom alarm sounds and all those features are there with premium, but that's not that necessary. When we click on this one tap congratulations, when this is clicked, you can directly, it'll open on WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. I'm back again here. So if I click on these 3 lines, now I'm on missing reminders. If you choose the premium option, you can also back up all these birthdays on an external drive. Back to settings. Text size can be changed to small, medium and large. You can also change the background color. So the notifications can be set to show on your home screen and the widget will be automatically reset. And now, as we count down to Christmas, it's important for us to use our phones and organize ourselves so that we spend less time buying gifts for the people who matter and actually spending more time with them. Next week, we look at an app that helps us to effectively count down to Christmas. See you soon.